So in this demonstration, we will use a Python program using list to generate a set of temperatures in a given month. Let us take the example of August. Okay, in August, the temperature normally varies from 30 to 35 degrees Celsius. Okay, this is how August looks like. So I want in the month of August, which has 31 days, I want to generate a random temperature which is between 30 to 35. 30 to 35. Fine. So once this is generated for 31 days, then we will analyze in how many days we have less than 32, more than 32, how many the percentage, okay, out of 31 days, okay, how much percentage we have less than 35, those kind of analysis we can do. So using Python we are going to do it. Okay, so let me first import a class called random. Okay, so random is the package, it's not a class, it's a package. Okay, so once I import it, I go to next cell. Then what I do, I want a random method to be called. Okay, so I'll just say temperature is equal to random. This is a package. Then I have function called random. Okay, this second random denotes the function, okay, which is inside the package. This is a package and this is a method or function, you call it as function. Okay, this random method or function generates a value between 0 to 1. 0 to 1, excluding 1, 0 to 1, any value it may generate. Okay, so but my temperature now from my study, generally the August temperature will be around 30 to 35. Okay, so the starting should be 30 and end should be 35 maximum. Okay, so what I'll do, they generated, see, by default this random will generate a value between 0 to 1. That means what, 0.5, 0.2, 0.3, whatever it is. But I want, okay, some value, okay, plus 30. So 30 is the minimum, maximum I want 35. So I'll multiply this value by 5. Why? Because it's a random generates a value between 0 to 1. See, it can be 0.1, 0.2, whatever it is. If I multiply by 5 now, for example, if I get 0, I'll get 0. If I get 0.1, or let us take as, for example, let us take as 1. Okay, 0 to 1 it generates. It may generate 0 sometimes, it may generate 1, or in between any values. Okay, in any values. So suppose if it generates 0, then the temperature will be 5 into 0 will be 0 plus 30 will be 30. Suppose if it generates 0.1, 0.1 into 5 will be what? 0 will be 0.1, okay, 0.5, okay. So in fact it should be into, yeah, that's right. What I'll just say temp 32 point, look at this. Now what I meant is, let us see what is the value it generates first. See 0.42, 0.00, 0.6. So depending on the value which we generate, now we multiply by 5. Okay, so if suppose if it generates 0.4, okay, then 5 fours are 2, so you will get 2. Suppose if it generates 0.8, then 5 into 0.8 it will be 4. Okay, fine. So it depends on the value, plus 30 I want. Why? The August temperature always remains between 30 and 35. 30 and 35. So look at this. See, 32, 33, 33.19, 31. Look at this. Fine. So you see, 5 into whatever value which is generated by random. It may be 0.2. 0.2 means 5 into 0.2 will be 1. Okay. 0.3 means 1.5. Okay. 0.3 means 1. Okay. 0.4 means 2. 5 into 0.4 will be 2. Okay. Fine. So depending on that value, why I am putting 5 here? Because my starting value should be 30, ending value maximum should be 35. Okay, so it depends actually. If you need 30 to 40, you put into 10 plus 30. Okay, see, look at this. Now I am getting any value between 30 to 35 only I'll get. Suppose if I put 10 here, I'll get 30 to 40. Look at this. 32, 30, 30, 33, 36. Now look at this, it crosses 35. Okay, sometimes you'll get 31, 38. Look at this. So any value between 30 to 40 you will get. But in August, I want only 30 to 35. So my temperature is this. But the temperature, when it has got multiple, after decimal point, so many digits are there. So what I'll just say, round, I'll call the round function. Then temp should be rounded to 2 decimal places. Then I'll just say temp. Look at this, 31.92, 31.17, 31.22, 34.24, 34.98. Look at this. Okay. So you see this piece of code, it generates a value between 30 to 35, 30 to 35. Now, if you take the entire August months, you have 31 days. So what I'll do, I'll create a list called August is equal to, it's a list. Now what I'll do, I want for 31 days. So what I'll do, for I in range. The range function, what it does, it iterates between the given values. See, 1 to 32. Why 1 to 32? So that 31 times it iterates. So I'll get a temp. Okay, look at this. I'll get a temp. I'll get temperature. 31 temperatures I'll get. Now what should I do? I should add it to August. Append. Okay, temp. Okay. So once that is done, now let me check the value, or let me check the value here. Print, August. I'll just give an input so that we can just see. As we press enter, now something will go on. 34.51. Look at this. First day, August 1st, it was 34.51. I just give enter. Second day, it was 31.71. Third day, it was 30.56. Look at this. 32.54. 30.5. 32.4. So it keeps on, you see, for 31 days, it will generate random temperatures between 30 and 35. Okay, fine. So once this is done, the temperatures are taken. It is there in the list. It is there in the list. So what can I do? I can find out the maximum. So this should be done only after 31 days are over. So you can say print. Okay, max temperature was maximum temperature in August was, okay. Of course, you can do which day it was. Now we'll do one thing. I'll just say max of August. The same way, I just say min of August. That will be minimum. Okay, look at this. Oh, I should have removed this. I'll just stop this again. You click on this one, it will get stopped. Okay, I'll just remove everything. So look at this. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll just run again. See, maximum temperature in August was 34.82. Min temperature was 30.01. So let us see the entire list right now. And let us cross check it. Print August. Look at this. So let us just manually cross check it. 34.82. Is there any value beyond that? I think here second value is 34.82. 34. I think 34.82 is 417. 34.19. Yeah, it's absolutely correct. The minimum value is 30.0. So minimum 30.0. Okay. So you see, now this will help you to generate some random data through which you can find out, okay, what is the minimum value, maximum value in a given month. Okay. Suppose you see now which day the particular maximum min was found. Okay. In that case, we need to go through that. Okay. So what I'll do, I can find out, I think, because directly we are invoking the built-in function. So, okay, we had to find out ways, okay, on which day it was found. So what we'll do, I think there is no way of doing it. Okay, anyway, this is how you add, okay, temperatures randomly using a random method, random package. Okay, and then you can find out min, max, all those, okay, properties, all those properties. Okay, fine. Now in the same way, I want, for the entire year, so in that case, what can I do? So what I'll do, I have to repeat this process. I'll just say for year in range 1 to 13, because 12 months, look at this. Now the problem is, so the month value should differ. Okay, so in that case, what we can do, I will do one thing. I'll create a list, month, okay, MON, okay, so month plus let us see whether it works. Okay, it should work for 12 months. Okay, type error. So there was a type error. Let us see what was the type error. Oh, this should be month plus, yeah, this should not be the case actually. The thing is, I should have given this way. Yes, it works. Okay, I think I will have. So I see what so this is called interpolation, string interpolation. So let me just print the month name. Print okay, sorry, no. Actually, what happened was everything it was generated, that was wrong. Print month name. Yeah, absolutely right. See what you are supposed to do, take month, then convert that month into string and attach it to month name. So it generates 12 months, month 2, month 3, month 4, see month 5, month 6, yeah, month 12. Good. So you see it has generated. See, I'll just explain to you. See, for month ranges from 1 to 12. When you say 1 comma range 1 comma 13, it goes from 1 to 12. Then I want to generate a month name, okay, with month keyword followed by str of month. So str means it converts that see 1. So suppose 1 is 1, then that one number is converted into string. Then I attached with month, so it becomes month 1. For second month, month 2, it becomes month 2, month name. So I just remove this, and you see for on every month name it created an empty list. Okay, see month name we are given, so month 1 will be a empty list. Second time it will be month 2 will be an empty list. So it keeps on going like that. Now what I'll do, I'll just add this into month name. That's what I should have done. Month name. maximum temperature was, okay, comma, in the month of, was this, in the month, comma, I'll just say month name, okay. This will be again month name, I'll explain to you, don't worry. You see now what happens is, see, I just copy this, control, okay. So you see now the month name will be month 1, month 2, like that. Then of course there is a problem here. See, every month will not have 32 days. So let us take average, okay, 30 days. So 1 to 31 will be 30 days. Of course we can change it later on, but right now for the time being, we'll do that way. And then the temperature, it always ranges from 30 to 35 given. Let us keep it as 30 to 40, okay. And then we rounded the temperature, we added into month name. So every month name when it got added, see, so yeah, see, month 1 for month 2, okay, like that, for 30 days different temperatures will be added inside that specific array list, maybe month 1, month 2, month 3, whatever it is. Then out of which you find the maximum in month 1, month 2, okay. So that now I'll just run and show you month name got happened. There is a problem here, it should be month name, it's not month. See, errors are quite common when we develop programs, okay. We should never get bogged down by errors. You see, that's it. In the month, okay, in the month, okay, month name, the month name, why it was not declared like this? See, maximum temperature was 39 in the month, okay, it should be month name, no? Month name, okay. So I should have got okay, in the month, okay. So it should be something like this, okay. In the month, str of month, that's it, okay. Str of month, that's it. In the month 1, in the month 2, like that you'll get. You see, yeah, maximum temperature was 39.03 in the month 1, minimum was 30.02, okay. Maximum temperature was 39.97 in the month 2, 30.44. So look at this, for 12 months we got it, okay. Maximum was 39.64 in the month 12, minimum was 30.84, okay. So what I had done was, see, as I told you, we created a different list for every month by attaching the month number to that keyword or the word month. Then in that name, we created an empty list. So 12 empty lists will be created, and 30 days of temperatures were added inside that every month, month 1, month 2, month 3, respectively, okay. So it will complete, what it will do, it will complete this area now. This area will be completely done for 30 days for month 1, okay. Once it is done now, for month 1 it will fetch, okay, it will fetch for this given month, okay, for this given month, the month name, okay, month 1, what was the maximum temperature, okay. Then what was the minimum in the, okay, for what was the minimum temperature, okay, fine. So okay, so once it is completed, once it is displayed now, what it goes back and does it for month 2. Again for month 2 for 30 days, this loop adds, okay, maximum temperatures and minimum temperatures in its own name, month 2. So for month 2 it finds maximum and minimum and displays at the bottom, okay. So this is how it happens. So it completes 1 month, prints it, then generates for second month, prints it. So that is why you see you get for 12 months successively. Okay, so this is how we need to do. We need to process a list and dynamically add some data. Okay, and of course we can use a different combination of month, name and number combined or concatenated to generate a new name, and on that name we create a list. Okay, so hope this session was useful. We'll meet in some other demonstration. Thank you.